Hi guys, this is my unboxing video for this Short Block Technology SBT jet ski parts distributor. They got a contest going for unboxing their items, and I ordered a seat cover from them for one of my two jet skis. This looks packed pretty well. Definitely wasn't shaking around in there, although it's just fabric. But those bubble pads, there's no real room for it to shake around or damage somehow. Packaging. This is really thick plastic. If I was a reseller, if I had a shop of my own, I mean, this is the kind of stuff I would expect to get. Undamaged packaging where I can just hang up on one of my peg hooks in my store and resell this stuff. And this is mint. Got my bill down there, that's also sealed up. What I'm going to be recovering, guys, is this seat right here. It's off a 1200cc Polaris, and as you can tell, it's seen better days.